This is the Wallabee AI AEC application that will save you and your team hundreds of hours per project. You are looking at public projects within our app. Let's simulate creating a new project with a basis of design. First, we select our SharePoint or Google Drive folder. We select the disciplines that we're interested in, and we hit Submit. Luckily, I previously ran a project for building a solar farm at Fort Stewart, which took about 20 minutes to process. Before we go further, let's turn down the lights. We can see high-level project details such as when we ran this project, how large it is, and how many parameters we predicted. We have different project configurations for project stages at 10, 30, 60, and 90% designs. Now let's go look at some of the parameters that we found from your documents. We can see electrical resistance soil of 1,347 ohm meters. Let's go pull up the reference. This is a super large document full of high resolution drawings. It will take a second for us to jump to the page. As we can see, it's going to bring us to page 77, where it shows lower layer average soil resistivity of 1,347 ohm meters. This is a good catch. Let's approve this parameter before we move on. Next, on our docs view, we can see all of the documents we parsed to predict our basis of design parameters. We accept CAD DWG files, Excel, PDF, docs, images, and many other formats. Let's look at our next feature, document summaries. We gather a high-level description of the document, key civil engineering identifiers, and a list of products extracted, which we can use to make a bill of materials. Next, we also extract and aggregate data from external APIs such as the American Society of Civil Engineers Hazard Tool. Within here, we can see wind, hurricane, and rainfall risk. And last but not least, let's try our agentic search functionality. This takes any natural language query, but as we all know, prompting can be hard. We can see semantically similar questions being asked from our initial prompt, and we run several layers of search to find all the appropriate risks on your project. As we can see, we're getting a detailed response for the risks as it assesses over 100 pieces of information at once from your documents. We can view all of the references as a guide to help you validate this information.